All right, Monday morning, so we're going to start off with prepositions as our next part of speech that we're going to learn about. Prepositions are just words that will connect a noun or a pronoun to the rest of the sentence. Everyone remembers that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea, and a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun, such as he, she, they, everyone, all. So in my example sentence, I have, I fell off the chair. So our pronoun in the sentence is I, and what did you do? You fell off the chair. So off shows, just connects I to the rest of the sentence. There are also prepositional phrases. And these start with a preposition and they end with a noun or a pronoun. As you can see in a vase of flowers fell off the chair, I've highlighted of flowers and off the chair in red. Of and off are both prepositions. And then since it has to end with a noun, flowers and chair are red as well. I would like for you, if you would, to click click on the link, and this is an old school video. I don't know if many of you remember Schoolhouse Rock, but it was popular back when I was in elementary school. And it's just a short little video explaining what prepositions are. So as you watch, take notes and enjoy. I'd also like for you to add this to your interactive reading notebook. What you'll need is some sticky notes and just a marker. And this pretty much tells you some common prepositions, and it also gives you a visual reference. For example, we'll say this is a house. You know, you can go above the house, you can go below the house, right? The sticky notes below. You can go in front of the tree, you can go in the back of the tree, you can go in between trees. Alright, so I'd like for you to add this to your interactive reading notebook as a visual for you to remember what prepositions are. Now we're going to practice. Again, remember you don't have to write these down, you just have to pay attention so you can figure out what prepositions are. Number one is the airplane flew over the community. So, based on this sentence, I'm trying to connect airplane to the rest of the sentence. And over is the preposition that connects airplane to community. The girl with blonde hair is writing in the notebook. Okay, I've got to connect girl with something. Okay, with is the preposition. So the girl with blonde hair. And then the next preposition is in. All right, we can go inside the house. We can go in the movie theater. And number three, the trees on the mountain are on fire. Okay, we can go on the house, we can go on the internet. So on is going to be our preposition in both ends of the sentence. In this practice by yourself, you have some specific instructions that you need to follow. We're not only going to see if you know what prepositions are, but if you know what a prepositional phrase is, and they can be very difficult at the start, but once you know what they are and you know what to look for, it becomes very, very easy, and it will become second nature to you to know what prepositions are. So don't worry about asking questions. You just ask, and we'll figure it out together. So what you do is this is your example. You'll write the sentence in your notebook. Place parentheses, which I've given you an example of what parentheses are, around all of the prepositional phrase, which means you have your preposition followed by a noun or a pronoun, and then you'll need to just underline the preposition. So in your example, it says, I stood with the graduates for 2 hours. Okay, so with is a preposition, and so we'll underline it, and then we need to connect it with a noun. So graduates, I know graduates is a noun, those are people, so we put parentheses around all of those. And then for is our other preposition. connect it with ours because it's a noun. You put parentheses around those. So practice these in your notebook, and we'll see how you do.